You're watching K.O.S. Keep on Shooting.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel K.O.S. Keep on Shooting. So for today, we're going to be taking on the Tim Hemrys Shoot Your Own Ammo Challenge. I did have the honor of being tagged by the one and only Swilling Fink, and brother, it's an absolute honor. I've been watching you shoot spaghettis for the longest time, so I'm definitely a fan of your extreme accuracy shooting skills. Now for the challenge, you do have to shoot your own ammo. The ammo they normally use, 50 mil steel ball. I usually put a few of these in my pocket, and I can't even tell they are there. Just a joke, guys. This is actually a trader hitch. Or the ammo that I normally use is 3/8 steel or 9.5 mil. So I'm going to be saran wrapping a piece of ammo like this, really tight, and hanging it from a string. I got the idea from checking steel. Great idea to shoot your own ammo. So I have to shoot a 3/8 ammo with a 3/8 ammo at 10 meters. By the way, here are the rules for the Tim Hemrys challenge. And the slingshot that I'll be using, guys, the Wasp Unifox in G10. Isn't that a beauty? Just look at that. I have it dressed up with some Sniper Sling .6, 22 mil down to 12 with the pit locating pouch. Now guys, the weather conditions outside, they're not ideal for slingshot shooting. It's extremely windy. I normally shoot on windy days. I've gotten used to it, but today is just something else. You guys see right now when we go outside. But I like the challenge. Let's take it outside and let's see how we do. Alright guys, I'm all set up. When I said it was a windy day, it is no joke. Look at that wind. Just plain horrible. Not ideal for slingshot shooting. But let's see how we do. I like the challenge. I got my cash box ready to go. And I'm 33 feet away. Nice and straight wrap, hanging from a piece of string. Let's see if we can shoot that. No further cuts in the video. Let's see how we do. That's gonna be hard to hit. Look at that thing. Okay, let's see if we can pull this off. Boom! On the first shot, guys. Can't believe I got that. Let's go check that out. So excited about that. And there we have it. On the first shot. Super excited to have gotten that on camera. Just awesome. I'm so stoked about it that I was able to get it my first shot. I've never done that. gonna be trying shooting in this type of weather conditions, please be safe. It can get a little dangerous. It's gonna be very, but very tough. Okay guys, so I'm still super excited about that. To be honest, I had 20 shots in my pocket in case it took that many to hit that 3/8 steel ammo. Now to complete the challenge, I do need to tag 2 YouTubers. And the YouTubers that I'll be tagging, let's see. Let's go with Vandel and Slamet Sling Shoot. So that is it for today, guys. You guys take care, keep it fun, and keep on shooting.